G'day and welcome to the leafy suburb of Kew, my hometown actually. So I'm going to have a little walk around over the next few days and show you some of the sights here, some of the architecture. We'll take a walk through the cemetery, show you some of the most interesting out of all the tombs there, memorials. So join me and let's see what we can find.
My name's Peter. Welcome to the Alexandra Gardens. They go back a long way with me, but not from the beginning of 1905 I think. However, I have fond memories of the Alexandra Gardens from the time I was about 5, and that's when my mum used to take my younger brother and my younger sister by pram to the maternal health centre on the other side of the gardens on Denmark Street. So we used to go through here and we would occasionally have lunch at the Rotunda. and we have lots of lovely memories. So come on a little walk with me through the park, and let's explore some of the current and the historic parts of it. Bye. Well, we're meandering through the lovely Alexandra Gardens. Beautiful plants here, planted a long, long time ago. And there's a tree here, Trius bigus. It's a really big tree. Anyway, we've got lots of Plantus multiflora, but you have to come and explore that with me. Come on, let's go.